Good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Adi bin Azmi. My number metric is B132420008. Today I will be presenting my study on electrical energy in residential buildings. Electrical energy is vital for our daily life in residential buildings. In Malaysia, our power is primarily sourced from hydroelectric power, coal and natural gas. As the demand for electricity continues to rise, it necessitates effective energy management to prevent waste. Therefore, this study analyzed the annual energy consumption of selected appliances in a residential house to understand how we can use energy more wisely. To guide this study, I have identified four main objectives. First, to identify specification. I will look into the electrical specification of various household devices. Second, to calculate consumption. We will determine the total annual energy used for each of these devices. That to compare and determine. We will compare the data to find out which device consumes the most energy. And finally, to propose solution. Based on the findings, we will suggest way to improve energy efficient in the house.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ramazib bin Zani Osman. So my metric number is B1324009. So I want to talk about method and data collection. So we have choose 5 common devices for one residential house. So the 5 devices is fan, television, refrigerator, air conditioner and water heater. So each of these have we have picked few brands, which is fan we use Panasonic, TV we use Samsung, refrigerator we use Sharp, and aircon we use Daikin, which is the inventor version, and water heater we use Panasonic. So each of these devices have their own power rating and their own kilowatt. So as you can see, these are calculation method and sample data. So annual energy consumption, the formula is P times T times D divided by 1000. So what is P, T and D? So P is power, which is watt. T is daily usage, hour. We are using it for how in a day, how many hours that we are using it. So D for day use, the duration in a year. So these are the 5 devices. So the P for fan is 75, television 120, refrigerator 200, air conditioner 1500. So water heater is 3000. Okay, for the time for daily usage, for fan 8, television 4, refrigerator 24, air conditioner 6, water heater 0.5. So these are how many hours and days that we are using it. So fans 300, television 250, refrigerator 365, air conditioner is 200, water heater is 180. So when we using those data and get into the formula, so these are the answers. So for the fan is 180, television is 120, refrigerator 1752, air conditioner is 1800, water heater is 270. So these are the result and data analysis. So as you can see, this is a graph which is axis X is the device and axis Y is the annual consumption per year. So the air conditioner and refrigerator consume most energy due to high power and long usage. So these two is can go up to 1,800, while these three is less than 600. So these are because those two mostly we are using it for daily, and we using it for a lot of time, such as refrigerator we using it for 24 hours, and air conditioner we using it 6 hours and above. So that's why these two commonly can go up to 1,800, while this three is rarely used or using it just few hours, and it's not gonna consume more like these two. For additional knowledge, water heater what is higher than those four device, but it's consumed less than two of this, because we are not using it for hours. We're using it just for 0.5, which is less than an hour. So that's why it's not gonna reach, it's not gonna consume a lot of power like those things. Right. Thank you.
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danish Hakim, and my metric number is B132420030031. So, for my part, I will continue to the background study for the energy management. So, we know that energy management can reduce consumption while maintaining the efficiency. Also, poor management leads to waste and higher bills. And also, energy efficiency means less energy for the same task. So we proceed to the next, which is the discussion in terms of physics and engineering principle. So, like I explained recently, air conditioner has a highest point in the table because of the highest consumption due to high power for compressor and heat transfer in convection refrigerant cycle. For refrigerator, high consumption from continuous operation to maintaining low temperature affected by insulation and compressor efficiency. For a water heater, we can analyze that water heater has high power. Also, but for the water heater has a low annual use due to short operating time, because we use water heater when we want to take a bath and so on. Also, we use water heater depend our country season, like winter or cold hour and so on. For fan and television, we use least energy due to low power requirement, like engine advance, because has been improved using efficient motor, LED, and the engineers already improved the efficiency, even though using every single day and every single night, but the energy use is less because of the efficiency already improved time by time. So for the last one, for my part, we move to the conclusion and recommendation. We can conclude that air conditioner and refrigerator are the largest energy consumer. So for energy consumption, it is depend on power and time, which is from the power on time efficiency is the key to maintain the power of the some device. So we can recommend that for reducing the usage, we need to limit high power device like aircon and water heater. As a recommendation, we can see we can reduce things that we can reduce it. So after that, we can we recommend to use some energy efficient appliance, which is like use some appliances that already have improved in their efficiency. Like if in aircon category, we can use a inverter aircon or high rated refrigerators. Otherwise, also we can improve the installation and maintenance. For that, we also need to reduce heat loss and ensure optimal performance. Lastly, we can adapt a simple practice, which is make it as a habit, which is a good habit. Switches of unused device, set appropriate temperatures, and maximize natural ventilation. So that's all from me. Thanks for hearing. So that's all from me. Thank you.
If the sun